this video, I'll be sharing some tips on how to run a successful skip level meeting. First, let's clarify what a skip level meeting is. A skip level meeting is when a CEO or simply a higher up manager meets with employees that are more than one step down the chain of command. When it comes to the difference between normal meetings and skip level meetings, here are a couple things to remember. In normal meetings, people meet with those directly under them and discuss technical updates. And in skip level meetings, the idea is to give employees a voice, and the focus is transparency and visibility. Here are a couple tips for a successful skip level meeting. To start out, remember not everyone will open up to you, and this is okay. Secondly, offer information about your own ideas and goals. You need to be relatable to them. Thirdly, this is not an opportunity to spy on your employee's supervisor. And as a fourth tip, never keep your employee's supervisor out of the loop. What are some of the benefits of skip level meetings? First of all, increase transparency. The more you communicate, the more transparent the organization is. Secondly, the more idea sharing, the more innovation. Thirdly, a universal understanding of vision and priorities across your organization. And of course, increased employee engagement. So all of these things can come from having a skip level meeting. Let's talk about how you can use Priority Matrix to help with skip level meetings. How can Priority Matrix help? First of all, it can help you maintain a consistent presence. And secondly, it can help you come to skip level meetings with more context. Let me show you how. Now, as you can see, in Priority Matrix, an executive could have access to many different levels of projects, from organizational priorities all the way down to a particular team that they might at some point want to plan a skip level meeting with. Like I previously mentioned, if you have access to different projects and team projects in Priority Matrix, you can more consistently be present rather than just popping in. So in addition to stopping by for coffee or watching the game, you can also consistently be working in the collaboration software and be a presence there as well. And then the skip level meetings will seem less of a out of the blue thing. Another thing that's helpful here is that when you want to plan a skip level meeting, you have the right context, again, like I mentioned. So you have the ability to really understand what's been going on. And of course, that context gives you information like, what should I address first so people feel comfortable? Where is this going to go? What's the temperature of the team, etc. Of course, in Priority Matrix, besides the 4-quadrant projects, there are also reports, feeds, and multiple high-level views that can be helpful to you as well. But when it really comes down to the basics, Priority Matrix is this one place where the entire organization, whether different teams or different departments, can come together around their focused projects. But some of the goals of skip level meetings can be supported before and after, and then also some of the effects of skip level meetings can be followed through, and you can make sure that you're still communicating around vision and ideas that were presented without having to wait till the next skip level meeting that you plan. And that's about it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful.